In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add age verification to your Shopify store. Adding age verification is an important step if you're selling products that require customers to be of a certain age. Not only does it help ensure compliance with the law, but it also builds trust with your customers by showing that you take responsibility seriously. To get started, you'll want to log into your Shopify account and navigate to the Shopify App Store. Here, you can browse various age verification apps tailored to fit your store's needs. Popular options are Age Gate or Easy Age Verify. Each of these apps offers different features, so take your time to review their descriptions and customer reviews to find the one that best suits your requirements. Once you've selected an app, click on it and you'll be directed to its detail page. Here, you can find detailed information about what the app offers and how it functions. If you decide that it's the right choice for you, click the Add App button and follow the prompts to install it. After the installation is complete, you'll want to navigate to the App section of your Shopify dashboard. Here, you'll find your newly installed Age Verification app. Click on it to open up the configuration settings. Most apps will guide you through the setup with step-by-step instructions, making it easy to customize the age verification feature to match your brand's aesthetic and requirements. You'll find options to choose how the age verification will appear, such as a pop-up or as an overlay. You should also be able to set the age requirement, whether it's 18, 21, or another age based on legal requirements for your product. Customization options often include editing the text that customers will see when they visit your site, which could be as simple as, "Are you over 21?" or something more specific to your brand's voice. After setting up, it's crucial to test the age verification process. Visit your store as if you were a new customer. This will allow you to see exactly what your customers will encounter. Double-check to ensure that the age verification pops up correctly on different devices and browsers. If everything looks good, your age verification is all set. Remember, while adding an age verification step is a great way to manage legal compliance, it's also important to continuously check that all your store policies align with the legal regulations in your area. By implementing age verification, you're not only safeguarding your business but also prioritizing customer responsibility. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helped you get your Shopify store set up with age verification. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.